congratulate you one more time. You've all done a great job. And I am proud of your achievement. Okay, so let's look at the content creation bit, where we look at Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, the practical aspect. And I'm going to do that with the Microsoft Office Specialist practice exercises to help you better understand it and try to kill two birds with one stone. So as we do this, I'm also preparing you for the Microsoft Office Specialist. Is that okay?
Thank you. Yes, it is.
Okay. Seems you all have your cameras off. Okay, no worries.
I'll put mine on very soon.
Okay.
Not at the place I can put it on, but I'm soon
Oh,
going to.
okay. No problem. So I'm going to share my screen first. Okay. Can you all see my screen, please? So we'll look at Microsoft Word and see how far we can go with the practice exercises. Then in our next meeting, we will take Excel. And the next, we look at PowerPoint. And that should conclude the content creation. So this is where we got to, and I asked you to go and watch the videos on the YouTube channel. So those who have been watching at least, it's been an eye-opener for you. Okay. So this is the overview of the project. Your media company has been hired to prepare a brief summary of golf courses owned by Salt Lake City, Utah. You are part of a team tasked with this responsibility. So our first task, they want us to search for the term tabernacle qua and apply the italics format. So how do we search for a term? If you want to search for something in your document, where do you click? Where do you go? Babatope, Kelechi, Tola. I can't hear you.
Just go to, for now, just go to probably find.
Find. Okay. So find is in which group? Which group can we locate or find? In which group? Yep. So find is in the editing group.
Okay, editing. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I used to just use shortcuts. Don't mind me. I used
That
to
is it.
So because of that, I don't really go to the tabs.
Oh, okay. Good. So within the editing group, then we can have find. So once you click on the find, it opens up our navigation pane. Are we okay?
Yes.
So we are looking for tabernacle qua. And we're going to apply the italics format. So I'm going to select this. It's been selected. So where can I go to apply the italics format?
Drop there, like the home tab.
The home tab, which group?
That's the font.
The font. Aha. So we have our italics done. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
So let's look at the text too. Give me a second. Are you okay, Baba? Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
Adetola, are you okay with this? Adetola, are you okay with this? Maybe she can't talk.
I think she's driving.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so let's look at the next task. Immediately below the heading, table of content, insert a custom table of content displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles. So we have the styles available styles, the TOC level, caption is 4, heading 1 is 1, heading 2 is 2, heading 3 is 3. So how do we insert the table of content and also customizing the styles that we want displayed in our document?
Sorry, 1 second.
Okay.
What was the instruction, please? Sorry, I missed it.
Okay. So immediately below the heading, table of content,
Okay,
insert a caption.
a custom.
Sorry, insert a custom table of content
Okay.
displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles. That displays only the following styles. So we have the caption, which is TOC level 4. The heading 1 should be 1, heading 2 should be 2, heading 3 should be 3. So how do we insert a table of contents? Where do we go? So immediately below the heading table of contents. So I've located below the table of the heading table of contents. So if I want to insert, where do I go? Where do I click? Yes.
Style under home.
Usually 3. Come again.
Styles under. Is it styles under home or paragraph?
File?
Styles or paragraph.
No.
I think we first go to insert.
Insert. Okay. So under insert, what do we do?
Page number, is it page number of
we are looking
okay,
at table
under
of content. We are looking at table of content.
Table of content.
Yes.
We want to create the table of content, right?
That is it. We are inserting it.
Yeah, we want to insert the table of content. So we go to insert.
Okay, I'm under insert.
Is it blank page now? That's of course, we move because under table of content, right? Okay, the table of content is there already. We just want to insert
it. That is it.
It's okay. I think we go to style now, right?
You go to where?
I think we go to style, like
style. Which style? Which style?
I think we go out. We go back to receive home now. Yes, and then so for the first heading 1, right? We select it, and then we go to heading 1. We apply heading 1 to it.
No, that's not how to insert table of content. Okay, what is your understanding of table of content? Why do we have table of content? Let's have that discussion.
No,
what's the purpose of a table of content?
That's the page, right? That contains, that's like the navigation page to the entire document. A page that shows you, gives you a summary of the topics.
That's like your index, right?
Index is different from table of content.
It's like the page that gives you the topics and the page numbers where you can get them in the document. Okay. So there are some that can be clickable, that you just click it, just takes you straight to the page. Or we also have non-clickable, whatever. I mean, page of content.
With links, right? Like.
Yeah. So, but the table of content is that page that gives you a topic, the directory of where to locate each topic in that document.
Good. So if we are locating where to locate, then we are looking at making references, right? I'm just drawing your attention to something.
Okay, so references.
Okay.
Aha.
So we go
get
to
it now.
References. Okay. Okay.
So
under references, we go to table of contents.
Right?
Are
we okay?
Okay.
Yes, I never knew.
So we are learning. It's a learning curve.
So we first go to references. Then under references, we now go to table of contents. Okay.
So under table of content, what do we do?
We look at we have
heading one.
So we click on whichever one we want to use. Let's click on one.
Look at the question carefully. They said it should be a custom table of content displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles. So we need to customize it.
Okay.
So we come to custom table of what? Content.
Okay.
Okay. And we need to do it. Yes, we need to do it in the formal format. So under general, we have format, but this is from template. We want to do it in the formal format. Are we following? Are we okay with this?
I'm trying to.
Okay, so we have different formats for creating table of content. You can do a fancy one. Yes, I'm listening.
Sorry, sorry to take us back.
That's fine.
Can we go back to table of content?
Okay, so under table of content, we have built-in table of content. Okay. So we've got the automatic table 1, we've got the automatic table 2, then we also have manual table. So these are more or less like templates you can use to insert your table of content. And remember that when you are creating your document, each heading, each subheading, you need to apply a heading style. Yeah. So if you don't apply heading styles, those headings will not appear in your table of content. So it is only the headings that you've applied heading styles that will appear in your table of content. So you need to take note of that. Okay. And this document has already been created. It's a practice exercise. So they've already applied those heading styles. So we don't need to do it. But our job is to customize it.
Okay. So we go to manual table, right?
No, customization, we are not doing it manually. Okay. So there is an option for custom table of what? Content. Are we okay?
Is it under manual?
So when you go all the way down, if you've opened Microsoft Word at your end, we have custom table of content. If you can see my screen, custom table of content.
I can see your screen, but I can't find it on my distance.
You can't find custom table of content?
This 2010, I don't know, maybe that's why it's not there.
No, it should be there. It's the same principle.
I can't find it.
You can't find it?
Yes.
Wow.
Under manual, I can see more table of content. I can see insert table of content. I can see remove table of content, but I can't see custom.
You can't see custom. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Maybe we need to look at that. If you've joined with your laptop, then probably you could have shared your screen for me to take a look. Okay, no worries. It should be there. Okay. So under custom table of content, we need to customize it. So the format we are using is the formal format. So I'm going to click on the drop down. Then I will select what? Formal. And they are asking us to make some customizations, caption, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So with that said, I'll need to go to options. So under options, you see we have the TOC level. And I'm only looking at caption 4, heading 1, 1, heading 2, 2, heading 3, 3. So I don't need any other thing apart from what has been prescribed. Okay. So the cover title, I don't need any value there. So I'll need to remove it. I need to go through. So heading 1 is 1, heading 2 is 2, heading 3 is 3. So I'm okay with that. So I need to look for what caption. So where is my caption? Do I see caption? Okay, let me go up a bit. So caption is here, and caption should be assigned the number 4. I'll hit an OK, I'll hit on OK, and the table of content is inserted. So it tells me that ski and golf in the same day is on page 2. Salt Lake City Golf is on page 3. So you only get to see this result when you've applied heading styles to your topics and what subtopics. Does that make sense?
Very big sense.
Aha. So the task 4. So even though we are preparing for the IC3 level 2 exam for the content creation bit, at least the Microsoft Office specialist will help you get a better understanding of it. So I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. So on the bottom of the last page, create a table from the text, golf course. So the text starts from golf course all the way to yes cake. Create a table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed table width separated by tabs. Apply the grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. So I need to go to the bottom of the last page and locate the text golf course. So where is golf course? This is golf course. And I'm going to select golf course to the end where there's 18 years cafe. I've done that. So how do I convert this into a table? We need to convert the text into a table. Where do we click? Where do we go? It's all about being productive. It's all about being efficient, knowing where to find the tool. So where do you click? Where do you go? Yes, Babatope, Kelechi. Okay,
Can I say
I'm
something?
listening. Yeah, go ahead.
You highlighted this stuff, right?
Yes.
Shouldn't we see where it's represented, or you said once you highlight or click on something, you should be able to see the menu, the tab that corresponds with it.
Yes, but this is a text.
So it doesn't
text,
work, right?
yeah, the
So we
text
can
is
just
not,
use,
it's not a foreign object.
we can use
Yes.
insert
Insert.
table.
Okay, insert,
Table.
and I'll go to table. So what are my options? What do you see?
So we
You
have
click on convert
text
to table.
to table.
Yes. So convert what? Text to table. And let's look at the dimensions. So we are creating the table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed table width, right? So 5 columns has already been selected. And I said fixed column with auto, which is also there, right?
Yeah.
And we are separating the text at tabs, which is also there. Now I hit on OK, boom, it's converted into a table. So those who are not office specialists or those who have not been trained as IC3 certified individuals, what they will do is they'll create a table, then they'll copy and paste or try to retype it into it. That's what you do, right? And that is what most people will do. So at least having been exposed to the IC3 and the Microsoft Office specialists will go a great deal to make you productive. Okay, so now you see it's been inserted and they want us to apply the grid table 5 back accent 1 table style. So this is where Kelechi comes in. You look at the contextual tab. So the table has been inserted. So after the paper part, we have table design and table layout. And grid table 5 dark accent 1 style has everything to do with the design of the table.
Design, yes.
Yes. So I'll go to the table styles group. So within the table styles group, that is where I can find the various tools. So grid table 5. So we have various sections, plain tables, grid tables, and I'm looking at grid table 5. So we have grid table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is grid table 5. So if you hover the mouse, it gives you the name. And the accents are to the right. So I need to move to the right of it. So dark accent 1. Boom. Got it. Nice, clean, professional. Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's look at task 4. In the sidebar on page 2, change the bullet of the list, of the last list, to a solid square to match the other list. So usually what I advise is always make sure your navigation pane is there for you. So I'm going to bring that up. Then I can easily navigate within my document. I'm going to page what? 2, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is page 2. I'm on page 2. So on page 2 now, you see the last list. And let's look at the first list. So this is the last list. Let's look at the
Okay.
first list. The
Is
first
that
list
it?
is square. Yes, so the first list is in a square. The second list is also in square, but the last list is a bit off. So we need to change this bullet to square so that it matches what is above. So we select it. Where can I go to change the style to square? Which group?
Go to home,
Paragraph.
Paragraph
paragraph,
group.
Mm.
Then
and
we have the
then
bullet button.
the
Yeah,
bullet here.
button.
Then you click on the drop down.
You
Then
open
we've got
it.
our square. Boom. Done. Are we okay?
Yes.
Then we look at task 5. Resolve the comment on page 3. So we need to resolve it. So those doing their thesis, dissertations, when they send documents to their professors, they add comments to the documents. So where can we go to resolve this? So resolve the comment on page 3. So I have this open. Let me see. Is this my page 3? Okay, so page 3, I've navigated. This is page 3. And have you seen the comment? So they are saying create a table to match this map. So that is the comment that has been inserted. But how do you resolve it? Why do you
Resolve
click?
the how. Like, what are you trying to achieve here?
So probably you've done what was asked, so it's been resolved. Okay. So whatever comment is in there, yes, you've done it. So you need to resolve it. So you hit on what? Resolve thread when you click on the 3 dots. Are we okay with that?
Okay, you can just use the shortcut for this, right?
That is it. So once you click, boom, it's been resolved. That whatever instruction that was given, you've adhered to it, you've done it. So it won't pop up in the document. So I'm going to create a project, then we look at the fit project. Babatope, are you okay?
I don't know. I'm trying to follow.
I tried to. No problem. You will get there.
Definitely.
So try and complete the YouTube videos that I've recorded, please. It will help clarify issues. Okay, let's look at the overview. This is project 5. Horseshoes. You are an administrative assistant for your country extension service. You are creating a flyer for the public about horseshoeing. So what's our first task? On the second page, add the text, attach shoes to the third shape of the smart art graphic. So I've got my navigation pane open. I want to go to second page. Quickly, I click, boom. I'm on my second page. And I'll need to add the text attach shoes to the third shape of the smart art graphic. So all I need to do is to just click and type. So once I click, it selects that shape. Then I type attach shoes. Done. So you see the practicality of this. Okay, let's look at task 2. Format the document into 2 columns, beginning with the heading, step 1, until of the end of the 4th step, cutting off the nails. Accept all defaults. So we need to look for the heading step 1. Quickly, I go to my navigation pane. Step 1. So I need to format it into 2 columns. So I need to select all the way from step 1 to step 4, where it ends with what? Nails. So how do I convert this into 2 columns and accepting all default? Where do I click? Where do I go?
Is it a home section with paragraphs? And then when you have columns.
Home session with paragraph.
Yes, then you
Okay.
can have columns, number of columns.
Paragraph group. I'm just trying to figure out where the columns are. We don't have columns yet. So you need to come again.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to come again.
Okay, do inserts. How about inserts?
Insert. Okay.
I don't know. I'm just like, I know it should be in the home button.
I'm there. Yes.
Check pages.
I should check what?
Pages group.
Pages. I don't see columns yet.
That means it will be in the home section. Or layout. It will be home.
Layout. So you see under layout, we have columns.
Okay.
Then we have what? Two.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. So we are accepting all the defaults. We're not going to make any changes. So this is how it's going to look like.
So it's layout.
Aha, the layout. But you need to understand why we move to that section of the Microsoft Office application. Great. Let's look at the task 3. Change the EndNote number format to this style and start at the second symbol, which is the cross. In the first paragraph, locate the colored term hoof boot and insert an EndNote at the end of the term that reads HTTPS blah blah blah. So how do we change the EndNote number format? So it's about EndNote, changing the number format. Where do we go? Where do we click? Yes.
I think it's your layout.
Layout. Okay, I'm here.
But let me see. I used to use this stuff. It's in insert.
Insert.
It's with
Okay.
change the EndNote.
Yes.
EndNote.
EndNote.
Are you talking about the page numbering?
No.
So maybe I don't understand what number. The EndNote. What's EndNote?
So whenever you're reading a book, we have footnotes, we have endnotes, and that has to do with references. Okay.
You find them at the bottom, very, very.
That is it, at the very bottom of the page. Okay. So under references, we have what? Insert footnote, insert endnote.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So when you put your mouse on it, we have a screen tag. Add a note like a comment or citation providing more information about something in your document. Okay, so put superscript numbers referring to EndNote are added to your text. That is EndNote. Then footnote. Add a note at the bottom of the page. So the difference is footnote is at the bottom of that particular page, providing more information about something in your document. And EndNote will go to the very end of your document. Okay.
Oh, I get it now. Footnote is at the end of every page. EndNote is at the very, very end of the whole story, right?
That is it. Are you okay? So let's put it into practice. I just want to see if what I'm saying is right or wrong. If it's wrong, then we'll change it. So we will need to change the number format. So you need to click on the dialog box launcher. And the number format should be in this form. So number format, I'll select this. So that's what they want us to do. And they want us to start at the cross. So I'll hit it. Now it's starting at the cross. I've not been asked to insert. So I just hit on apply. I've done the customization. Now I'll need to go to the first paragraph, locate the colored term hoof boots. So I'll use my navigation pane, hoof boots. So this is my first paragraph, hoof boots. So this is where I insert the EndNote. So I'm going to select it and insert an EndNote. So I'll just go back to my references. I'll hit insert what? EndNote. Now it comes, then I'll need to type the HTTPS, yeah, en.wiki.com/. wikipedia.org/proof_boot. Done. So if we check this page, okay, so you see there is a mistake here. So EndNote will fall directly under the last page of the document. Have you seen it? So at least we can see it in practice. So EndNote will go to the last page of the document, whilst footnote will stay under that page. Are we okay?
Yes.
So if I put my mouse on it, you see, it gives me a screen tip. Okay, so that sign, what does it mean? Okay, it means I'll need to visit this particular website. So if I do control click, okay, at least it gives me what to look out for. Okay, I need to go to this website. Then when I go to the very end, oh, it's here. You click, it moves. Are we okay? Are we all okay? Okay. So
Wait,
let's
one
look at.
second. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. One question, please.
Ask.
Okay, like this one, this link. Where did you get
Yeah.
it from?
The link is from the question.
Okay.
Okay, it's from the question. So EndNote at the
Okay.
end of the term that reads this.
Okay.
Aha. Are we okay with that?
Yes. Please.
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at task 4. On the second page, format the graphic by applying the smart art style labeled subtle effect. So I'll need to format the graphic by applying the smart art style. So the graphic in this question is the smart art.
Okay.
So I'm going to select my smart art. So when you select the smart art, the entire graphic, you see the handles,
Yes.
which is different from selecting just one.
Just
Have you
one.
seen the difference? So if you want to
Yes.
select one, this is what happens. If you want to select the entire graphic, this is what you should have. So
Okay.
take note of that.
So you drag
Now,
across everything.
come again.
Said you drag across the entire graphic to
No,
get this.
no, you don't drag across. You just
How do you
move
get?
your mouse. You just
Okay.
move your mouse. If it changes into that cross, you see those arrows, then it means
Yes.
it is ready for selection. So this selects only one. I'm selecting only one of the shapes. But if I want all, then I need to come to the edges, click to select all.
I
Are we
see.
okay, Tola?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so now we need to apply the subtle effect. It's a smart art style. We need to apply subtle effect.
Mhm.
Are we okay with this?
Yes.
Subtle effect. So where do I go? Where do I click?
You go to insert.
I think, Tola, you missed some of our sessions.
You go to
Oh,
smart
again.
art design.
Aha.
Yeah.
Because it's an object, you go to smart art design. It
Yes,
comes
smart-
with its contextual tab. So you just watch. If I deselect the smart art graphic, you see it disappears.
Yes.
Have you seen it? Once I click the
Yes.
smart art, it pops up. So anytime you have this situation, all the tools you will need will be located on the contextual tab. Are we good?
On what?
Contextual tab. So we
Okay.
call these contextual tab. It
Okay.
comes in as in when you need it. If you
I
don't
see.
need it, it won't pop up.
It won't pop up.
So
Okay.
I've got my smart art design.
Okay.
Then I'll need to apply the subtle effect. So with the
Okay.
subtle effect, I'll go through the smart art style. So as you
No.
hover the mouse, it gives you the name, simple frame. I move on to the next. White outline, I'll move on to the next, subtle effect. Boom,
Subtle.
done and dusted. So you've seen how we formatted this document, how we started.
Yes.
So people usually think that Microsoft Word is about typing and printing. No, it goes way beyond that.
Yeah.
We need to
That's what I thought
create,
it was.
yes, professional looking documents.
Mm.
And you will never get it wrong with the Microsoft Office Specialist program.
Like writers.
So
Writers will need this a lot.
that is it. So on the second page, add a fourth shape to the diagram located at the end of the document and insert the text finish edges into the shape. So I am on the second page, right?
Mm.
And I will need to add what? Another shape to the end of it. So where do I click? Where do I go?
I think you can format or let me see, smart and design.
Shapes are under insert, but I don't know.
Insert.
You are missing the point. I said, if you want to format anything, you always focus on the contextual tab.
Format, no, format.
Yes,
Format.
the contextual tab.
So you have smart
Format.
art design, you have the format tab,
Format.
but
No,
we are
format.
adding a shape.
Yeah.
So if you are adding a shape, let's see, can we add a shape here? Look at the groups and tell me if we can add a shape there. If not, we need to go
Yes.
back to smart art.
Shapes.
There's no shape here.
There's no shape there.
Shape.
Yeah.
So let's go to
really.
let's go to smart art design. What do you see?
Add shape at the very first
add shape.
Aha.
Add shape.
So the shape that you are adding, we have add shape after, add shape before.
Okay.
So we will need to do the selection properly. So I need to go and select the attached shoes. We need to add shape after. Then I'll come, then I'll say add shape after. Now that I've done that, I can enter my what? Finish edges.
Okay.
Finish.
Edges. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. 1 second. Yes, come in. Give me a second.
Do you know if she check?
Yeah, I'll check.
Thank you.
1 minute, guys.
Okay. I'm falling.
Well,
Okay. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Yes.
Okay. So we have smart art design. We have the format. So anytime you insert a picture, you insert a table, you insert an icon, you insert a shape, you always need to focus on the contextual tab. Okay? Are we okay?
Yes, please.
yes, sir.
Good. So now let's move great projects. Okay. Now, let's move. Okay. Let's move on to, let's look at the overview. What is required of us? You are creating a flyer about the most common sport fishing species in the state of what? Oregon. Okay. So our first task is to change the table size to auto fit to its content. So there is a table within this document, and you need to change the table size to auto fit to its content. So this is page 1. I've seen a table in here. So this is the table. So if you want to select the table, you click on the table handle, it's selected. So how do we change the size to auto fit to its contents? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hi dear,
Hello?
I'm in a train. I'll get back to you on this very soon. Just give me like maybe 30 minutes. I want to finish the training online.
Babatope, can
Hello?
you hear me? Yes.
I can hear you. Yes.
I can hear you.
Good. So we need to change the table size to auto fit to its content. So where should I click? Where should I go? Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I stepped out. Okay. Change the table size to auto fit to
Yes.
its content. Is that
Auto
the
fits
question?
to it. Yes. Auto fits to its content.
Auto fit to its content.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Have you highlighted the table?
Yes,
Then you
I've
go to
selected
then table layout.
table layout. Okay. So I'm at the table layout.
So we are supposed to change the table size to auto fit. So I think we'll look for table, under table, right?
Under table.
Okay, wait.
Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah.
Go through the groups. Take
Okay,
your time.
yeah.
No pressure. Take your
Okay,
time.
there's auto fit. There's auto fit under cell size.
That is it. Auto fit. And we are auto fitting to fit what? Content. Boom.
Yeah.
So you see? You've seen the change.
Oh,
So
it kind of
before,
like compressed it.
yes, before it was like this. And professionally speaking, you shouldn't submit a document like this. Auto fit it to the content. Clean, nice, and professional. Okay?
Yes.
The second task, use the document inspector to remove all of the headers, footers, and watermarks from the flyer. Leave all other hidden properties. So whenever you're working on a document, your username, it saves some metadata. So you want to inspect it and you want to remove some of these data that you don't want out there. So how do you inspect? Where do you go? Where do you click? And where can we even find the document inspector? Yes. Where should we click? Where should we go?
Okay, for the whole document, right?
Yes. So I'm looking for document inspector.
Okay.
Do
Is it,
you go under review? I don't know what very well.
It's not under any of the from home to developer to paper, pal, keyboard, help.
I
No,
think
it's not there.
it's not there really.
Yes.
Okay, I was even trying to say developer, like to.
No.
Okay, it's not
Developer
there,
is the
right?
advanced version. So when we are doing word expected, then I can take you through the developer tab.
Okay.
Inspect. Yeah, that's just like I don't know.
So you go to file. You go to file. Okay. So under file, we have info.
Okay.
And we are checking for what? Issues. Inspect document.
Okay.
So before publishing this file, be aware that it contains comments, headers, custom XML data, content that people with disabilities are unable to read, settings that automatically remove properties and personal information when the file is saved. So we want to check for all the issues in this document. So we need to inspect the document. Then we say yes. So after the inspection, we want to remove what? Headers, footers, and watermarks. So you just go ahead to inspect it first. Then all the issues found, you remove it. Are we good?
Yes.
Well, it's still inspecting, right?
Yeah, so now the inspection is done. You see, we have what? Comment, revision,
Can we
and
do
versions.
it again?
Okay, let me go back. So we go to file. Okay.
Okay.
We come to info. Then we go to check for issues. Then we go to inspect document. Then we say, yes, we want to inspect it now. We hit on inspect, and it is done. So give it a couple of seconds. Now it's done. So these are the issues found, but the question is asking us to only remove headers, footers, and watermark. So I'll just concentrate on that. Have you seen it?
Okay.
So headers, footers, and watermark. I'll say remove all.
Oh.
I was not tasked to remove custom XML data, I was not tasked to remove comments, revisions, and word versions. That's it. I'm done. Are we okay with this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the third task, reply to the comment by typing yes. So how do you identify comments? How do you navigate to a comment? Where do you click? Where do you go? And when you see a
Maybe
document, a comment, can you identify a comment in a document?
is it still by going to file?
Come again?
Should we still go back to file?
No, this is about comments.
Your
So
About-
why are people commenting in your document? What is the reason behind that?
Is it different from notes?
No. Let's understand it first. Why do people comment in a document? Why?
maybe they want to for feedback purpose.
For feedback. Okay, good. I like the term feedback. So you've given it to the person. You want the person to review it, right? And give you a feedback. That is why Microsoft puts that comment under review tab. You need to understand it.
All right,
Okay.
under review. All right.
So Microsoft, they know why they've arranged the tabs and they know why they've given certain names to the tabs.
So
So I
they'll
want
be
to
relatable,
review so that you can relate it.
yeah, relatable.
So review is about comments, right?
Yes.
So once I go into the comment group, I can go through the comments. So next, so I select my next comment. Do salmon also live in fresh water and salt water? So I've located my comment and they want me to reply. I click on it and I'll say, yes, hit it. I've done justice to it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Aha.
Okay, so this
So
is just like comment section in any software, right?
no, in Microsoft Word, yes. In PowerPoint, yes. Excel, yes. You can add comments.
Yeah, what Casey is saying is that this section, this box, is just like the normal comment section, in the
Like apps, even like the example.
in your apps
An
or
app
whatever. Just like the
application.
normal comments. Yeah.
Like most apps
Yes.
have that comment. That's what I'm saying. Most apps have comment.
You can relate it to that. Are we okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Task 4. On the first page, apply heading 1 style to the heading fishing all year. So first page, fishing all year. What is this? So how do I apply heading 1 style? How do I apply heading 1 style?
Have we done this before?
We need to apply heading style. Where can we find the heading style? Yes. Where can we find the heading style?
Same paragraph. There's no paragraph there.
So where? Which tab? Which tab? Which tab?
Can you click on home?
Home? Okay. Then where do I go?
Maybe style.
Aha, the styles group. So under the styles group, I have heading 1. Boom. Done. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Perfect.
I need
Now
to
let's
take
look
this
at
expert take.
aha. So I'll go to task 5. Display the paragraph mark on this document. Display the paragraph marks on this document. So we do have non-printing characters. So how do you display the non-printing characters? Where do you click? Where do you go? Yes.
Is it in home with under paragraph?
Yes. So under paragraph, next to the sort button, we have the non-printing character
Non-display.
option.
Yeah.
So show all. So this shows paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. This is especially useful for advanced layout tests. So if you become a word expert, you know how to use it to your advantage. Okay? So now you see that, oh, there's a section break. Oh, there's a paragraph. The dots are more or less like spaces. Oh, okay. Then you use this to what? Work on your document. Are we okay? So I'm going to grade it. Okay. Now let's see. And I will encourage you, if you can, you buy the Geometrics practice test full suit to help you master Word Expert, Excel Expert, PowerPoint, Access, and Outlook. Okay. So
Okay.
change the status property of the document to draft. So I'll need to change the status property of the document to draft. So anything concerning the properties, you will need to go to File. Okay. Then you come to Info. Then we have the properties section. So I'll need to look for what status. So for me to have that, I'll need to click on Show All Properties. So under Show All Properties, what do I have? Status is here. Okay. Then I type draft. Question solved. I come back to my document. I move on to the next task. Are we okay?
Where does it reflect here? How does it reflect it?
No, it won't reflect in the document, but it will be part of the properties of the document.
The status will be what? Sorry.
The status property, we'll just change it to draft.
Okay.
So when I come to info and I go to show all properties, it tells me about the size of the document, the number of pages, the number of words, the total editing time, the title, the tags, the comment, the template is normal, the status is what draft, category, the subject, hyperlink, base, company that you're working with. So you can add all these properties to it. Are we okay?
Yes. But what I'm asking is, how does it affect the document eventually?
No, it doesn't affect the document in any way, but it helps you, more or less add some additional information to the document. So if you are searching for it, you can quickly get to it. Okay.
Sorry, don't mind my question.
Mm-hmm.
Who are the people that really make use of this particular draft, and how does it work for them?
So this is a document I'm working on. I'm not done with it.
Okay.
So the status now is a
it.
draft form.
Oh yeah. Just like emails. When you're working on it, if you're not doing email, it just saves automatically to the draft section.
That is it.
Yeah. I was just wondering.
Not like email per se, but it is just something I'm adding to it.
Tell you that this.
Tell me that it's not done. It's not the final one.
Just like in Gmail, like if you are typing a letter, you're composing something, you're not done. It tends to remain under the draft. So you can always go to the draft.
Yes. Are we okay?
Yes, we are.
Okay, good. Now let's look at our task 2. Place the trademark symbol after the first word in the title. High octane. Trademark symbol after the first word in the title. So this is the first word. I'll need to place the trademark symbol. Where do I go? Where do I click?
Trademark. Wow. Ahead of that.
Yes.
Go to insert.
Insert. And what do I do?
Symbols.
Yes. Now, trademark. Done.
Oh, is that what you are talking about?
Yes.
Insert TM.
TM, yes, trademark symbol.
Oh,
Okay.
never knew that's what you were asking.
Aha. So apply the text effect, small caps, to the 4 paragraph headings. Triticale, planting date, harvesting for feed, and grazing tips. So we need to apply it to this. So I'm going to use control to select. Okay, let me select this first. I hold down my control. I'll scroll down, select planting date. Control is held. I'll select harvesting for feed. My control is still held down. Grazing what? Tips. So that is done. Okay. So I'll need to apply the text effect, small caps. Where do I click? Where do I go?
I think you go home.
Okay. And it's about font. So I'll go to the
Paragraph.
font group. No, it's about font.
Okay,
So I'll go to the
oh
font
yeah,
group
Yeah, font.
and the dialog box launcher for font. And I want to apply what? Small caps.
More cards, yes.
Effect. Boom.
Yes.
It's done. Are we okay?
Yes.
Then our task 4, enable change tracking on this document and lock it with a password Triticale. So we need to track this document and we lock it with a password. So when you track it, if someone deletes it, it will be there. Until you accept the deletion, it will not happen. So how do we track changes within the document? Where do we click? Where do we go?
Go to file.
Where do we click? Where do we go? If we
Let's
want
check.
to,
Check file.
file. And where do I go again?
Sorry, what are you trying to do finally?
We are
You go
tracking
to-
this We are tracking this document and we're going to lock it with a password. So under review, we have what?
Review.
Protect. Then we have tracking. Have you seen? So track changes, we will lock tracking. And the password is what? Capital T RITICALE. I'll repeat it again. Capital T RITICALE. I'll hit an OK. Boom, it's done. Task 5. At the bottom of the page, select the last phrase ending unless. Add a comment, should we explain ons? So last page, ending unless. Then we add a comment, should we explain ons? So where can I click to add a comment?
Review.
That's
it.
your box. Yeah.
So review the new what? Comment.
Comment.
Then I type, should we explain ons? Then I send, boom, it's done. Great project. So for the session to be interactive, please, you will need to watch the videos on YouTube. If not, you won't enjoy this session. Because if I decide to teach it tab by tab, group by group, we will not finish. It will take us long. Come again?
How do you leave the comment section?
The comments on YouTube.
No. I'm saying that
Microsoft Word.
on this particular thing, when you add a new comment, how do you? Okay, you just click out, right?
Okay, let me open it. Let me open it.
Yeah, I think you just click out.
I'm opening Microsoft Word. Okay. So I'll come up with sample text.
Okay.
Okay, so if I want to add a comment, I just select where I want the comment added. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have a floating toolbar, which is this. So I can click on new comment to add a comment, or I go to review, new comment, then it pops up, then you type your comment. Then you send. That's it. So once you add a comment, you see that comment icon, it's there. Are we okay?
Okay.
Okay. So that is that. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
So I
What if
want
somebody?
us
Sorry, I want to
come
ask
again.
a question. Though it's, I want to ask a question. Though it's outside. Just a little bit outside.
Okay, that's fine. Ask.
I wanted to ask, like, there's something called just crossed my mind now. Book bingo.
What?
Book bingo.
Book bingo.
Yes.
What is that?
It's like when you are done reading a book, you tend to like. I wanted to know if Word is used for book bingo. MS Word.
I don't know what that is, unless maybe I search on it to find out. And maybe in our next session, I can give you an answer. Honestly, I don't know what book bingo is. Okay, let me do a quick search.
Okay, like when I think it has to do with once you are done reading a book, you will now begin to give summaries based on certain questions that be asked. I wanted to know if it's Word that we use or it is another app that is used.
Okay, this is what I'm getting. Is a reading game that turns reading into a fun challenge. That's what I'm getting.
Okay, so you don't use Word at all for it, right?
No,
Okay.
we don't use.
The use is my son that was asking me.
Oh, okay.
It's
So
an
book bingo
assignment, yes. So they have to read books. And
is popular in library, schools, book
yes.
clubs, summer reading programs. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think
It's
so.
part of their classwork.
Oh, okay. No worries. So
All
please,
right, thanks.
you will need to complete the videos on Word, the videos on Excel, 21 videos on Excel on the YouTube channel, 13 videos on Microsoft Word on the YouTube channel. Please complete it. Okay. Then tomorrow when we meet, we will work on a practice exercise for PowerPoint, just to at least give you a fair idea of what you should know for the content creation bit of the IC3 GS6 level 2 exam that you are preparing for. Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay. So
I
I'll
think the
end the
word is
session.
just the word we just seen in those are just word videos, right? There's no
Yes.
special
Yes.
Word and Excel, right?
Come again?
Just Word and Excel videos. There's no
Yes,
special
Word.
name.
Yes, Word and Excel videos. Yes.
Okay.
But as you watch, you practice along. Don't just watch,
I know,
because
I
I
told you.
demonstrate. So
Yeah,
as
that's what I'm
I'm
saying. I needed to
demonstrating,
sit in front of the
yes,
system to
yes, to
appreciate
practice along.
carefully. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Okay, bye-bye.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Fifi.
You're
Yeah, thank
welcome.
you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,